Welcome to the Mark Janad Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Vision Pro. There's this craze. Apple released a new product, so I'm going to break it down in this story. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You know, we're going dark. The Vision Pro, which is Apple's first new product in 7 years, officially launched in stores on Friday last week in the US. The mixed reality headset went on sale at Apple stores across the country as some eager shoppers were among the first to get their hands on what promises to be one of the most innovative tech products in years. On that Friday morning at Apple's New York City flagship store, CEO Tom Cook welcomed waiting customers into the store, shaking hands and taking selfies as employees cheered. Around 200 people had lined up ahead of the 8 a.m. launch, including customers from around the world. Now we know how crazy those customers can get. iPhone! Apple! People are also able to receive private one-on-one demos on a first-come, first-served basis at retail stores. Please hit the subscribe button. Our goal, 10,000 this year. Subscribe, please. CEO Tim Cook has long talked up the potential of augmented reality to help people communicate and collaborate. Now, he will have to prove that a device that blends both virtual reality and augmented reality, a technology that overlays virtual images on live video of the real world, is indeed the future of computing. Ahead of the release, Cook called it, and here's a quotation marks now, we have the most advanced consumer electronics device ever created. But it won't be an easy sell. It's a $3,499 clunky computer you wear on your face. The headset will have a 256 gigabyte of storage, and prescription lens inserts for the device will be available starting at $149. Reading lens inserts start at $99. Once you factor in additional accessories like a $200 travel case and 50 battery pack holder and more, it can cost up to $4,600, the New York Times has reported. The headset enters just as the extended reality XR market, which is a category that includes augmented, virtual, and mixed reality, has plateaued with little mainstream consumer adoption. The Vision Pro has limited apps out of the gate and will be tethered to a battery pack the size of an iPhone, offering about 2.5 hours of battery life on a single charge. The experience, however, is unmatched when it comes to watching immersive videos and interacting with the world around you. It's rare to find a new technology that feels groundbreaking, but in the two demos CNN experienced ahead of the launch, it's easy to see the future, or at least an early and very pricey prototype of it. Now let's talk about the user experience. The headset itself looks like a pair of designer ski goggles. It features a soft adjustable strap on the top, a digital crown on the back, a bigger version than what you'd find on an Apple Watch, and another digital crown on the top that serves as a kind of home button. Although it's still a computer around the eyes, it's surprisingly light and comfortable to wear. Do you guys think it's light and comfortable to wear? I don't know, it feels kind of heavy. I mean, you look at Marcus Brownlee and all these people putting it on, it looks kind of heavy. The setup process is easy. First, the headset tracks the eyes, scans hands, and maps the room. Users will then see an iOS-like interface placed in front of their environment. By using eye movements and touching the thumb and pointer finger together, it activates a select button, allowing people to seamlessly go in and out of apps such as Messages, FaceTime, Safari, and Photos. The interface also responds to voice to activate Siri. Photos can be viewed at life size or as if you're watching them on a giant movie screen. Panoramics, meanwhile, place you directly within the screen. Vision Pro also offers a spatial photo option, which lets users view images and videos in 3D for an even more lifelike experience. So that was this video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.